Hi, hello everyone. This is Prasanth here. I am co-founder Snapper Future Tech. We are an enterprise blockchain company into the blockchain space for like almost 4 years now. And I have been a serial entrepreneur in AI and blockchain and been doing entrepreneurship since I was 14 years old. And one of the great and amazing facts about blockchain is that like blockchain is a technology of trust, and it is like an internet of value. It is internet 4.0, and there is several reasons why blockchain is one of the biggest revolutions of this era, primarily because of a fact that it is purely a data infrastructure technology, right? So think of blockchain like a universal data infrastructure where you could actually have a clear cut audit trail of all the records, all the data, whatever goes through, and most importantly the users are in control of the data, right? So today in this traditional world, right, whatever data we use, maybe if we use any browser information on Facebook, Google, or any of these platforms, the data is primarily owned by these bodies or these centralized bodies, right? But imagine a world with blockchain where people and users like you and me are in control of our data. Imagine that these data are like more secured and get more secured when every people and more people join this network, right? So blockchain is like this one of those secured technologies which would actually make tampering or access to the data or manipulation to data, like, I mean, almost next to impossible, because of the fact that since all the datas are like, or all the data, so it's a basically a database structure where the data actually goes and stores in an encrypted format, and the ones who actually own the data would be able to modify and decide with whom this data has to be shared. And recently, our honorable prime minister to Mr. Mukesh Ambani, they have been making some big waves about blockchain, and blockchain to actually become mainstream technology in several of these public services, right? Because it would make a lot of verification services and other use cases like voting, supply chain. Imagine a world where that if you're consuming any food or any product, you could just trace back to the source, right? Imagine a world where you are in control of your data and you decide with whom this data has to be shared. Imagine a world where in this internet economy we move towards a society or a decentralized society where data cannot be manipulated. And that is one of those reasons why we are very much excited about blockchain, and Snapper is also proud to launch Indian Blockchain Institute. So Indian Blockchain Institute is a place for blockchain professionals who would really want to develop their career in the blockchain space, and we actually help every professional and every person, let it be like students, working professionals, academia, and government, to drive to the blockchain journey and to learn importance about blockchain, because we believe that blockchain is not a certification but it's a profession. So guys, if you're interested and looking forward to build your career in the blockchain space, you could reach out to me at prashant.surana, prashant.surana snapperfuturetech.com. And you could also reach out to me if you're looking forward to deploy or build any kind of blockchain products or services, and I would be happy to help. And you could also find me on LinkedIn as Prasanth Surana Jain. So thank you so much guys, please take care and cheers and stay safe.